Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Peacock TV on Firestick step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Firestick is connected to your TV and powered on. Navigate to the home screen of your Firestick. Using the remote, scroll to the search icon in the top left corner. Type in Peacock TV using the on-screen keyboard. Select the Peacock TV app from the search results. Click on the Get or Download button to install the app. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, open the Peacock TV app. You will see the activation screen prompting you to log in or create a new account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If not, choose the option to sign up and follow the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, you will be provided with an activation code. Take note of the activation code displayed on your screen. Now, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Go to the Peacock TV activation website at www.peacocktv.com/activate. Enter the activation code you noted earlier into the designated field. Click on that Activate button to link your account. After a moment, your Firestick will refresh, and you should be logged into the Peacock TV app. You are now ready to enjoy streaming your favorite content on Peacock TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.